trail day. We got the Sketchy family with us. We got little Sketchy's XJ, we got big Sketchy's YJ, TJ, LJ, RJ. It's definitely not an LJ. We got Jeep things. We got a couple of side-by-sides going with us too. We're over here outside of the prison, Airbnb. We're riding over yonder today, see what we can get into. Doing good. Abby, what are you doing in there being antisocial? I knew you were going to do that. I knew as soon as the camera turned around. I was gonna do it. You're so predictable.
I'm glad.
What do you think, little Sketchy? You having a good time? How's your... This is going on YouTube, so you can, you know, act like a velociraptor if you want to, but everybody else. How's your rig doing?
Good, I think.
So tell us about all the upgrades to get ready for this trip. How many hard hours did you put in on this thing?
I don't know.
What'd you do to it?
We cut the back off and built a cage and put limit straps on it. And he did a bunch of work in the front end.
Put a locker in the front.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Seats, harnesses.
Harnesses, yeah.
Pretty cool rig. She's getting there. Got a good start to the cage. It's not finished. It's still in raw steel. Seats, harnesses. She's got a set of tons to go under it, which I'm sure will be an upgrade. And Mike has a set of tons too.
Yes, sir.
So
We'll get there eventually. All my free time.
yeah, all the spare time. So everybody's rig's doing all right.
I don't have anywhere to touch.
Yeah, rock and roll.
Nowhere to touch. I know.
So we actually lost 2 golf carts. Go figure. No, Ty had an axle let go. Luckily, we were at the top of all that V-notch stuff, and they ended up turning around. We were close to the cabin. They went back down to the cabin, and they're going to get the axle shaft changed out and meet us at the general store. So we'll see you in a few. Well, we made it to the general store, and they are back at the cabin. Actually, they should be on their way. They got the axle shaft replaced, and they're gonna just meet us here, and then we're gonna bomb down Trail 22.
I'm getting food.
It is dusty. I had to feed her. She was getting mad. we made it up to the Overlook, and we were going to try to hang out for sunset, but it is pretty overcast, and I don't think that's going to happen.
And it was cold.
It is cold up there.
Up there.
So I think everybody's tired. We ended up doing all of 22, 27, 26, 41, 20. We made a bunch of miles today. I think everybody had a good time. We're going to skedaddle back to the cabin, get a fire going.
And a shower.
And a shower. Well, it's several days later, and obviously we've made it back to the house. Rig's all cleaned up and tucked in. As we were headed out, we ended up getting into a terrible rainstorm. Of course, Mike didn't have a top. Little Sketchy didn't have windshield wipers. We were pretty comfy in Bowser, but the offset of the tires literally was just throwing water right in the cab with us as we were going down the road. But all in all, we had an amazing time. We didn't hit the hardest trails, but we had a good time. And we definitely rode solid all day long. And since we're home, obviously, that's all we've got for this video. I appreciate you at home taking the time to watch these videos. Make sure to reach down there, click the like button, subscribe, leave us a comment, all the good YouTube stuff. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.